Okay. Welcome po sa at pong second laglagan portion po natin. Second game pa sa laglagan portion. Mukhang ano yata. Dito yata, naka-scouting mode dito man nasa likod ko yata ngayon. Scout. Ha? Enjoy. Sana all. Yeah. Okay, second game po sa ating laglagan nights between Cas playing red and black combination. Of course, against po yan po ang The Mechanicals white and black combination. Teka lang po tayo.
Sir Martin!
Boss, JB, kumusta?
Nandiyan yung Canton connection.
Nandiyan na. Marami nga connection ngayon dito. Ayan, si Canton and Tan, nandiyan din.
Nanonood ba sila Sir
Wala.
Albert kanina?
Kanina nandiyan sila po sa Albert. Wala sino? Wala si Bautista.
Wala si
Baka si Bautista? Sige, wala.
Si ano? Sino nga ba yun? Sila uli best next week.
Next week, sinulubis naman. Ang kalaban nila, in flights. That's number 5 and number 4.
Di,
3 versus 6. Sorry, 3
Anong
versus
fearless
6.
forecast mo dun, sir? Sino mga kalaban namin?
I think pukpukan yun.
Sino mga kalaban namin?
Ha?
Namiss kita.
One way or another talaga.
Sino mga kalaban namin? In-flight or...
Tingin mo.
In-flight,
Okay.
sir. Tingin mo lang, sir.
Ha?
Fearless forecast.
Fearless forecast, wag muna. Wag muna, ayoko muna. Baka may magkamali ako.
Isa lang.
Fearless forecast, wag muna.
Oryx or in-flight?
Ha?
Oryx or in-flight? Uy, dalawa na.
Hindi, pang-review to ko sa may malipis sa tawag.
Wow. Kayo
Okay,
na,
ano?
sir, sa'yo din.
Oo.
May pang-review pa na, sir.
May pang-review na tayo,
Ay, Diyos, ah.
Kanina
Tapos
nga,
mo rin yan, sir.
hindi. Ito, kung sakaling may malipis sa tawag, ayun na.
Grabe ka, sir. Innovation yan, ah.
Hindi, patagal na to. Tinakatago lang to.
Ay, twice
Wala
to
pa rin.
ka, sir.
Twice a bit. And of course, take note po ha. Twice to bit po ang cash. Of course, with me po, ito po yung kasama ko po sina JB tsaka si Molina. Sir, good game po kanina.
Salamat, sir.
Pero
Ako sa sipag.
sa sipag talaga, tsaka sa taga talaga ha.
Sipag, chemistry.
Okay. Pero ano ba, kayo naman, ito tinanong ko kanina sino ba gusto makalaban sa semis?
Gusto namin makalaban sa semis.
Oh. Sabi kasi nila gusto nila makalaban, yung mga titos and titas nila raw, sina Albert daw, tapos sila.
Ako tatanungin mo, sir.
Ikaw?
Babagay?
Oh.
So, kalaban sarili namin.
Sarili nyo, mahirap yun.
Gusto namin kung magandang nilaro namin kanina, mas
Dapat mas ano pa. And are we expecting a complete cast, a complete effort United by after 2 weeks?
Kompleto ko September yung final.
Hindi, meron pang semis. That will be 2 weeks from now.
Wala finals. Wala.
Ayun. Sir
Sir Martin, una na kami.
Salamat sir, salamat. Good luck sa semis nyo ha. O yan po ang ating pong kasapo natin. Of course, tuloy po tayo. That's nandun, palpal, magaling, pops up again. Wala pa rin. Foul, number 9. That's number 9. That's Opulencia, number 9, called for a foul. Of course, on the line po si number 18, shooting for 2. Pops up. Kapos. It's kapos. Kapos po tayo. Number 19 again. Pops up again. In. The score is 5-3 po tayo at 8:10 remaining. Nonong Rivera, binababang bola. Nonong Rivera. And to Gorospe. Erceraspe rather. Nice one by number 21. That's Arnado, 2 points. Baklaan, binababang bola ni Baklaan. Baklaan. Nakalusot. Eto na, Ying. Nope, it's Tan. Wala. Rebound battle won by the white shirts. Kalma. Ying again. Ying pops up. 2 points. Ying, 2 points. Ying, 2 points. Binabambo lang yun. Again, it's Rivera, number 16. Rivera. Seraspe. Wala. Rebound, number 19. Nope, it's Kalma. Nandun si Ying. Sabi muna, wag muna, hip muna po. Hip. Sa tayo, Ying, binababang ni Ying, nope, out of bounds. 2007. Take note pa, we have only 2 games for today. Dahil kasi ang quarterfinals format po natin po will be played by number 1 versus number 8 right now. And next week po will be number 3, number 6, and number 4 and number 5. Okay? Yan po ang ating pong format po natin po. Bali next week po may po tayong quarterfinals. Makikita po natin po sa first game po between Hub and Sky Team versus, alam po natin yan, Oryx versus Inflights. Kalma, binabas, Ying, wala, rebound, uy, binabang bola. Rivera, malakas ang pasa. Malakas ang pasa kay Rivera. Malakas ang pasa kay Rivera. Baba po tayo. Okay, ito na. Ball handler po, that's Ying. Ball handler si Ying. Ying the ball handler, number 0. Ying. Baklaan. Driving strong against the Dalida. No good. Uy. And Rivera, Nonong, 2 points. Nonong Rivera, 2 points. Back to back kay Rivera. 5:37 remaining. 11-5 pong score po natin. And now Rivera, baklaan. Ayun na, Kalma for 3. Bang! Si din. 11-8 ang score. Lamang po ng 3 ang Cas, cabin line, or Cas, sorry. Cas po yan, Cas. Lamang po ang Cas. Rivera, challenge kay Dalida, pops up. No good. Nando sa Pilensya, wala pa rin. Rebound Barwon by the White Shirts. Pero tumapak sa linya.
Expired. Okay, masok.
Okay, next 5 po tayo. Next 5. Of course, next 5 po tayo. Time pa tayo nga na AC. Okay, balik tayo. Ayan na. Oy! Stepping on the line. Okay, balik muna po. Of course, nandiyan na po si number 30. Si third dinner kanto, nandiyan na rin. Si Tan, nandiyan na rin. Si number 28, nandiyan na rin. At si number 18. That's Borlaza. Sa kabila, of course, nandiyan po si Shadi, si number 80. Of course, nandiyan si Jerome, Baklan. And of course, nandiyan din si Kalma. 13. Now good. Pops up, goes home, no good still. Jerome, kick pass. Kay Kalma, easy 2. 2 points, Kalma, 2 points. No good still, Gozum. Nakaribang. Pa! Swept away. Pero tumama sa paa. Nice guard ni Jerome. Binabang bola ngayon. Ito na, binabang bola. Shot out. Wanting from gilid-gilid. Sabi ni Mr. Dirk Barroso. Okay, sir. Congrats pala sa'yo, sir, ha? Maganda mga ano mo sa legal labas, ha? Ang performance mo dun, ha? Kalma. Jerome. Shadi, hindi handa. Eh, nandun si Kalma. Nakuha ang bola kagad. Binababa ang bola. Kalma for 3. No good. Rebound. Tan. Driving. Canton. Pops up for 3. Nope. Tan again. Tan. Pops up. Wala pa rin. Uy! Foul!
Number 7, Shadi.
Shadi called for the foul. Get ready for some pain. Okay, Shadi. Ayun na, mukhang talagang pops up, nope. Pops up, dapitan, no good. Dapitan, no good still. Nakuha ni dapitan bola. Dapitan nga, pops up na naman. Foul! Nakakuha ng foul kay Jerome.
11,
Ano to?
roll.
Dami nang pinuntahan itong tumbler na to parang globetrotter Pops up. Naalala ko, ganito yung safety helmet. Pag maraming pinuntahan sa site, puro induction sticker Sticker. Okay, balik po tayo again. Dapitan, second shot. Pasok ang bola. Shoutout kay Oryx, possible team po. Okay, sir. Sir, next week po ang laban po next week. Kalaban po in-flights. Binababa ang bola ngayon by Jerome. Jerome Pinasa. Ying driving shong wala. Red ball, sabi ni referee. Red ball. 2:28 remaining. Second quarter coming up. Canton, binababa ang bola. Tan, pops up. Balakas. Kalma, naka-rebound. Binatong bola, nandun sa Dapitan. Wala. Baklaan recovering the ball. Baklaan, noob.
By number 30, Dapitan.
Tan. Borlasa, malakas ang pasa kay Borlasa. Shadi.
To Baklaan.
Baklaan. Binababa ang bola ni Baklaan.
Baklaan.
Pass to room.
Yeah,
Ying. Pops up. 2 points. Okay, baba tayo yun. Ito tayo. Canton. Tan. Foul. Again for Shush. Shadi again called for the foul. Okay. And go zoom. Go zoom. 2 points. First shot made. Go zoom. Second shot, go zoom. Jumper steady po tayo. Hello, mic test. Okay. Pops up. Wala. Rebound. Oy! Foul again. Shadi can go for the foul. Pangatol po ni Shadi yan. Third person na po ni Shadi. Alam nyo, pre. Pag nakakita siya si Shadi, panalo, naka-Harley Davidson dapat. Yung mga tipong ano. Scouting. Pinababola kagad. Ito na, Baklaan. 50 dito, wala bola. Kaya na naman siya. Third general Canton. 2 points. Canton, 2 points. Canton, yan po ang reigning finals MVP. Kasi pumutok siya talaga nung finals against Airport United. 1 quarter was owned by Canton. Sa finals po yan. Yan. Sa finals lang talaga. 1 finals quarter po. Inari po ni Canton yan sa matchup nila against Airport United. Kaya talagang ibang level ni Canton talaga pag oras na siya ay nasa finals na rin. Sel Ying shooting for 2. Balik tayo sa quarterfinals as of now. Ying first shot is good. The score is 15-13. 29 seconds remaining. Second shot by Ying, number 0. Pops up. Wala. Rebound, Borlasa. Pinasa kay Tan. Pinasa kay Canton. Kaya Canton, Tan connection. Kagad ang nangyari. Tan against Shadi. Canton penetrating. Floater shot. No good still. Nandun, rebound, battle won by the white shirts. Ying, hindi ka mapasahan. Ayun, kay Baklaan. Baklaan, binaba ang bola. Baklaan, pops up. No good. Dapitan, 2 seconds. Binatong bola. Wala na, kapos.
Okay, and from the first quarter.
Okay, tayo maghanap. Ha? Pinagpalit sila. Okay, hanap buhay muna po tayo. Hanap buhay tayo. Palit pre.
First na.
Ha?
Sila ano?
Oo, si Nunong. Itong problema, wala to.
Yun nga, patay sila GSU.
Oh. Okay, ito po ang Airport United. Bitch, friendly yaman sa Friday. Okay, before this games for the biter din sa Team LBC na padala. Sample natin po dyan ng SPB, ARA, and PSB Basketball League. Ito po ang ating participating teams. Maraming salamat po. Ito po ang ating quarterfinals. Ating laglagang portion po. Before that po, take note po, umagbansa po ang Airport United sa semifinals. Awaiting po nila po makalaban po sa in-flights. And ongoing po ngayon is CAS versus Mechanicals. Kaya po, as of now, ito po, naglalaban po ngayon, CAS versus Mechanicals. The score is 15-13. Lumanggas number 19 for the inbound. Lumanggas number 19 for the inbound. Ito na po tayo, sige. Again, Tan. Number 3, Tan. Kalma. Wala. Sila naka-rebound. Again, nagsilbi defensor. GC stalwart po natin yan. Member po ng Qatar champion team. JS, pinasa. Nawala ang bola. Pinasa kay Perez, hindi handa si Perez. Balik mo ang bola. Again, Ying, binababa ang bola ni Ying na naman. Ying, bring down the ball. Ying, kalma, pops up. Wala. Rebound, Jerome, pops up. Parehos. Meron 2 points. Okay, again, si Amampang Dasselman, nandiyan na rin. Amampang Dasselman. Foul. Amampang Dasselman.
Mr. Tan.
Tan, called for the foul. And JS. Lining yun, di ba? Lining, eh. Ano naman lining? Pops up defensor. Nope, it's Amampang. Amampang, running shot. Wala pa rin. May manulit pa si Amampang. Magpapainit pa lang yan. Binababang bola, hindi ang bola. Ying, bring down the ball. Ying, number 0. Kalma. Kalma. Palpal ni JS. Payong. Amampang, nagmamadali. Amampang, putting on the brakes. JS, kinaluwa, pasok. Kinaluwa ni JS, pasok. Binababang bola ngayon. Ito na si Ying. Ying, bring down the ball. Bola ni Ying. Jerome for 3, ayaw. Jerome, nope, it's Kalma. Wala, rebound battle won by the red shirts. Nope, it's white shirts, sorry. White shirts ang nakarebound. 8:13 remaining. 8:13 remaining po tayo. 8:13 remaining. Okay, balik muli po tayo. Ying. Ying. Pasok. Okay, 17-18. Amampang. Defensor. Amampang. Amampang Dasselman. Amampang nakalusot. Kay JS, swing kagad ang pasa. JS, hoop shot, 2 points.
2 points sila.
Basketball made easy by JS. Napaka-simple lang para sa kanila. And ito po tayo yun. Number 0, Ying. Jerome. Jerome again. Jerome. Jerome. Uy! Tama. Again. Oy! 3-second violation. 7:02 remaining at the score is 19-18. Lamang po ng isa ang CAS. Okay, Amampang Dasselman. Binatokal kay JS. JS. Defensor. JS again. Ayun lang. Ganda. Jerome. Ilalim. Tan. Malalim masyado. Tan muli. Nandun si JS. Nando si Amampang. Amampang, knife right on the spot. To Sila. Fade away shot. 2 points. May ganun pala si Sila. Hindi natin alam. Binababang bola. Ying. Kalma. Kalma. Binabang bola ni Kalma. Kalma scaling the defense. Kalma. 2 shots. 2 points. Sorry. 2 points kay Kalma. 21-20. 5-20. Ayun na. JS naman. JS. JS again. JS. Serrano to JS. Ayun. Kay Defensor. 2 points. 5:39 remaining. Meron po tayong pang-reburito. Ingat-ingat po tayo. Pang malapit sa tawag po, meron po tayong pang-reburito. Kung saan kailangan ng review, re-review natin ang ating, ating video dito. Amampang to JS, Team 3. Nope, it's Defensor. Okay, holding foul called.
Number 19.
Okay, holding foul called on number 19. That's foul away from the ball, ha? Okay, balik po tayo.
Wala pa. Second.
Ito na. And Amampang, wala nilabas. Stripped away. Ayun, kay Defensor. Thinking 3. Pops up. No good. Same ball. Tap out by white shirt.
14 seconds.
Amampang, wala pa rin. Ayun, wala pa rin. What a putback sana. Kalma. Kalma, binababa ang bola. Kalma. Kalma. Wala. Kalma muli. Wala pa rin.
Post foul. Post foul. Foul number 15. Next five.
Okay, change pa po tayo.
Number 14. Perez, first personal foul.
Bata. Bata doon. Okay, Kalma. On the line. Kalma. Pops up. Pasok. Kalma, second shot. Jumper steady po tayo. Ang Kalma. Kalma, second throw. Jumper steady po tayo. Wala. Walang kabala. Okay. Arnado against Kalma. Arnado nakuha ng bola. Dalita. Again kay Rivera. Nonong Rivera. Two pops up. Arnado. Wala. Okay. Seraspe. Dalita again. Rivera number 16. Pops up. Pumukol ng 3. Wala. Binababang bola muli po tayo. Eto na. Kalma lost the ball. 4:17 remaining. Opilencia, Arnado, wala. Shadi naka-rebound. Shadi pinasa kagad. Baklaan. Naipit. Kalma. 2 points, Kalma. Kalma, 2 points. Magandang ano yan. Pulso. Ano yan, siguro nagbubuhat yata kanina yung mga airport yun natin. Puro lahat, kapos, all sobre.
14 shot na.
Rivera. Malamig pa rin si Rivera. Rebound si Raspe. Wala. Rebound the white shirt. Is in. 3:23 remaining. Idol ingat, idol. Umuwi na yan, no? Umuwi naman nag-scouting. Baklaan. Ying. Shadi, pinatay na lang. Kaldag. Opilencia. Rivera is Baklaan. Baklaan combination. Baklaan, Rivera. Dalida. Pasok ang bola kay Dalida. Si Dalida parang Android yan. 2 2:52 remaining po tayo. 2:52 remaining. Mamaya po, halftime po tayo. Halftime po tayo, mamaya. Joel Gambets is watching. Si Albert Dino Marasin is watching also. Along with, of course, si Sir Isa, nandiyan din. 2:52 remaining po tayo. 2:52 remaining.
Wala kang mekanikos.
Balik tayo sa Mechanicos. Bola po ng Mechanicos. Binatukan ng bola. Eto na. Baklaan, 2:50 remaining. 2:50 remaining po tayo. Baklaan against Rivera, Calma. Calman, Arnado. Rivera nagmamadre. Rivera. Nice steal by Shadi. Quick hands by Shadi. Baklaan, pops up. Pasok ang bola. Baka sa kakamotor yan, kaya mabilis ang kamay. Arnado. Pops up. Arnado, wala. Rebound against Shadi. Shadi naka-rebound. Baklaan, binababang bola. Baklaan, dumadriving strong. Baklaan, Shadi. Uy, buti na, muntik na. Pops up, ayaw, Ying. Kalma, ayaw kay Shadi mo na raw. Shadi, Ying, Kalma, Ying, ayaw kay ilalim. 2 points. Calm, 2 points. Number 19. Naka-duty pang may mechanics. Rivera. Out of bounds. Tumama sa hita. Symbol daw po. Tumama sa hita ni Palmones. Ay, sorry. Ni number 19. Sorry, number 19. Si Raspe. Opilensya. Pops up. Pasok ang bola. 1:20 remaining. Opilensya. 3 points. Maganda gising natin ang Opilensya ngayon.
1-3 or pass.
Skype yung makalaban.
Pops up. Yes. Hindi, in flights.
Ano ka natin Skype?
Ha? Sky Team Hub. Number 4, number 5. Sina Perico. Sina DRC. Eusebio. Shoutout kay Renzo Dave Bulawan. Idol po yan ng Oryx. Rivera. Pasok. Ayan na. Eto na. Umitin si Rivera. May pumupuko lang sila. May birador na sila. Dahil ang pangalan ng Rivera is Rivera. Kalma. Binababa ang bola. Kalma. Wala. Rebound. Baklaan. Pops up. Wala pa rin. Eto na po tayo. Wala. Shadi. Ying. Counted. Foul counted. Ano pa yan? I think sa third quarter magsisimula yan. Magsisimula ng third quarter. Kasi marami magtatanong din. Pag natalo.
Yun. Ay,
Kakantsawan sila.
Wala ko yung expect sa second game.
Okay, that's it. Halftime po tayo. Maraming salamat po. Magbabalik po kami. Huwag kayong alis. Okay, balik tayo. Okay, balik po tayo sa ating laro po ngayon. I think marami po kasi talaga ang CAS. And for sure, they will merit now. Penalty shots po to be awarded now para po sa CAS.
Pipili ba na titira?
Pipili. Pipili. Yun na. Wala.
Wala.
Pasok.
Number 19. Tatlo na. Pangapat.
Ha!
Ang lima.
7 August.
Panglima.
QF.
Dalawa na lang.
SS. MEC.
Yan. Last one, last one. Perez.
Okay, ito na.
Pumasok.
I think now we're expecting now na to step on the gas for sure. Okay.
Okay. Discord na tayo, Discord.
Borlasa for the inbound. Okay, third quarter starts right now. Okay, balik po tayo, another 10 minutes na naman tayo.
Man. Serrano.
Serrano, eto na, maano na, Justin Serrano. Borlasa, pops for 3. Wala.
Number 19. 2 points. Kanton.
Ay, Canton, binababaw ni Canton. Canton, Borlasa to JS. JS binabantayan.
To Kanton. At. Red to shoot.
JS for 3. Wala.
Wala.
Ayan na.
Robin.
Out of bounds. Aga tayo matatapos. Alas 7 nga talaga.
Bola na ang gas.
Okay, build for ball and play. Okay, that's Canton. Third dinner Canton. Nagtitimon na. Dead din Canton. Nagtitimon.
Kanton.
Canton.
Serrano.
Serrano. Power move. Pinasa kay Defensor. Defensor. Oy! 3-second violation. Okay, balik tayo ngayon. Ito na po tayo. Binababa ang bola ngayon. Ayan na.
Robin.
Binababa ni Jerome.
Robin. Pass shot. At.
Tan.
Robin. Red to shoot. Still with the
Defensor. Binababa ang bola. Ayan na. Borlasa. Borlasa. Pinasa kay Canton. Selfless play. Ayun kay Defensor. 2 points kaagad. Binigay kay Defensor. Defensor 2 points.
Robin. At. Rebound defensor.
Wala. Masyadong close up. Okay, binababola. Shadi. Binabambola ni Shadi.
Open for substitution na po tayo.
Ayun na. Mekos na eh.
Yeah.
Yeng, malakas. Kanton na naman, nagmamadali, Kanton. Kanton. Ayun, kay Borlasa, malakas. Ayun, agoy. Good ball. Ayun lang, ayun na. Ayun lalo, malakas ang pasa. My friend, too much pressure, my friend. Too much power, my friend. Too much pressure, my friend. Little low. Little low pressure, pare. Kalma. Ayun lang. Ang galing. Ayun lang, nilabas. Okay, yes sir, 2 points by number 19. 6:27 remaining.
1.3.
Okay, interesting facts po. The winner of this game, and also twice to beat po ang CAS, ha? Take note. The winner of this game po will face the winner between Hub and Sky Team matchup sa kanilang quarterfinal. Kalma, wala. Tan.
Right is good.
2 points for Tan. Kalma, pops up, let go na lang yan. Tan. I think fourth quarter.
1.3. Serrano.
Okay, kumakana. Set up the play already. Ayan na. Borlasa for 2. Pasok ang bola. Long 2 lang palang binigay sa kanya. Borlasa, long 2. Nababang bola, hindi ang bola. Sino to? Unknown to. Yeng. Kalma. Number 19, di kumapit. Defensor, binabang bola ng Defensor. Against Shadi. Tan. Borlasa, Defensor. Oy! Too much passing, my friend. 4:35 remaining. Third quarter action. Kalma. Yeng. And by the way po, ang mga awardees po ngayon po will be given a free coupon galing po sa KGJGS or Kuya Jun Gent Salon. Located po yan pala po sa Mansura area, ha? Fronting Moonlight Supermarket, Mansura area po yan. Kaya sinasabi nga po doon, problema ba sa iyong buhok? Papamasahe ba ka mo? Sagot po yan ni Kuya Gent Salon. Maraming salamat po. JS ang rebound. JS. Kickball. Okay, this game is brought to you by KJGS or Kuya Jun Gent Salon. Located po sa Mansura area, fronting Moonlight Supermarket. Malapit po yan po sa Lulu at Almira area po sa Mansura. Kaya sinasabi nga po dyan, problema sa sugupit, buhok baka mo, sagot po yan po ng Kuya Gent Salon. Maraming salamat po. Okay, yan pa, sagot po ng buhok, pagupit, kahit anong klase gupit binata, gupit na may style, kaya po nila yan. Sa po natin po dyan ang pamasahe din. Meron po silang makina de masahe. At the same time, meron po silang pedicure at manicure. Malamang posible po, pakulay din. Yan, sama po yan po. Handog po yan po ng Kuya Gent Salon. Okay, balik tayo ngayon. Okay, Rivera number 16. Nandun naman si Amampang. 3:44 remaining. 39-36. Amampang, batok agad. Ayun, kay Gozum, malakas. Amampang, opulence. Seraspe, hindi pumasok. Ayaw niyo muna. Rivera for 3. Malakas. Tumalong pabalik. Tumalong pakawala. Tumalong sa kawalan. Okay, 3:21 remaining. 39-26 po ang bola po natin. Sige po.
Baklan. Number 19.
And one play by number 19.
Basket down.
Nagkataon talaga medyo may ano eh. Yung age bracket, medyo may edad talaga yung mechanicals. Pang 40s above to.
Third personal foul.
Pero kung malakas to,
Wala.
ang malakas talaga, inserts pag 40s.
Team ball.
O, dahil meron ano eh, may mga nadadala na yung ano eh, yung Akain Brothers, yung matangad Akain. Nadadala nila eh. Rome, no good. Kalma, 2 points. Kalma, 2 points. Kalma, 2 points. Amampang, wala, ayaw. Gozum, ayaw rin. Amampang, wata pa, sana. Nandun lang, ang daming mga kamay ng puti. Ang daming puting kamay nag-aantay.
Baklan.
Baklaan. Jerome, pops up. Pasok ang bola kay Jerome. Jerome, 2 points. Amampang, Dasselman, binabang bola. Amampang, Dasselman. Amampang. Wala. .2:10 remaining sa ating third quarter action. The score is 39-42. Lamang ng tatlo ang Gozum. Wala. Amampang and one play.
Basket down. Number 11.
Amampang number 48 shooting for the bonus free throw to tie the ball game. Pops up. Out of bounds. Out. Uy, ano yun? Seraspe. Rivera. Out of bounds. Symbol po tayo. Amampang, Dasselman.
10 to shoot.
Amampang, ayaw.
Yun lang.
Pops up. Gozum, wala.
Rebound Romy.
Jerome, kalma. Binatong bola.
Baklan.
Baklaan. Ayaw.
Romy.
Pops up, Jerome. Pasok ang bola. Okay, please take note po kahit po twice to beat po ang cast as number 1.
4-1 lead.
Amampang. Rivera. Hop! White ball, sabi. White ball. Amampang. Uy! Offensive foul. May pang-review tayo po, so kayo mag-alala. Magreklamo, may pang-review tayo. 41-45, apat ang mga kalamangan. Kalma. Foul! Opulensya. Number 09, Opulensya. Apat mo na yan. Opulensya, 4 personal fouls. Warning for graduate. And penalty situation po ang team CAS. Baklan shooting for 2. Wala. Pasok. 5 kalamangan. Oy! Up! Down! Blocking foul called. Shady against foul called for the foul. 4 personal foul on Shady.
Substitution.
Okay, sabo na po tayo. Shady, labas muna raw. Ayun lang. Uy! Good ball.
Patay ka.
Pops up, Jerome. Pasok na naman. Jerome, 3 points again.
Rivera. 14. Kanan shot clock.
Baklaan, pops up. Wala. Okay, you're watching right po sa ating pong aviation point sa Flying Lead po tayo. Ito po ating mga sponsors, Trade and Eagles and Team Albisala Padra. Saan po natin po dyan ang Kuya Junes Chen Salon. Of course, saan po natin po dyan ang SBB Ara, PSB Basketball League. And of course, ito po ating participating teams. And this is a quarterfinals. Ito po ating bracket system. Naglalaro po ngayon ng CAS M Mechanicals. At nag-advance po kanina po ang Airport United. Ito po ang I'm playing po right now po between CAS and Mechanicals. As of now po, laman po ng 8 ang Mechanicals. And of course, next week po tayo, Implights versus Oryx Basketball Team. Saan po natin po dyan ang Hub versus Sky Team. Okay, final 10 minutes po to determine the second entry po ng ating semifinals. Will it be CAS or sinasabi nga, hihirip pa yata isa pang laro ang Mechanicals para malaman at patunay siya po ang mas karapat dapat na makapasok sa semifinals. Malalaman po natin yan after 10 minutes of basketball game. Sige po, ito po tayo. Ayan na. Ying. Rome, pops up, malakas. Ito na. Is this the choke that we're waiting now? Para po sa CAS? Okay, nandiyan na. Nandun pa rin po si Seraspe, si Perez, si Dalida, Serrano, JS, Arnado again. Walang pinasahan. Calma. And one play made by Calma. Looks like Mechanicals having a field day in the past 3 quarters now. And carrying over in the fourth and final quarter. 9:15 remaining. Lamang na po ng 10 Mechanicals. Pops up. Pasok. 11. JS. Perez 2 points. Ying. Calma. Pops up. Calma naman. Wala. JS na naman. Eto na si JS. Nagtitibol na ngayon. JS. 2 points JS. Coast to coast. Ayan na. The choke. Eto na. The choke is on. The choke is on. Wala. No foul. Amarnado. Ayan na kay Defensor. Naiyo mag-isa. Pops up. Malakas. Tan. Jerome. Pops up. Out. Rebound. Perez. JS. Dalida. 2 points. Ayan na. Okay, nag-time out po ang team. That's how they control the ball game. Sabi nito. That's how they control the ball game. Para sa akin Pero bilog ang bola. what kind of stop they will do. We will see at 8 minuto pa kasi.
Back on the game. We will have 8 minutes, 5 seconds para fourth quarter.
Okay, fourth quarter po tayo. 8:05 remaining. Okay, balik po tayo. Baklaan, binababa ang bola ng Baklaan. Baklaan, binababa ang bola. Lumanggas.
14 shots.
Baklaan pa rin. Medyo may kitang depensa ngayon. Ngayon na naman, check pass ka kay Dalida. Wala na, 2-0. 2 points.
Frequently. Baklaan.
Baklaan muli. Walang pasa. Tsaka depleted din kasi po sa Jeff Carmona. Depleted kasi yung bench ng ng Mechanicals. Masusunog sila. Patig yan, tiyak. Serrano, Dalida, defensor, Dalida pops up. Wala. Rebound. Number 19. Na naman, tatlo na lang kalaban. Kalma, stripped away, pero may foul si defensor. Defensor acknowledging that foul.
Nagbago yung gameplay ng kasi
Defensor is the first.
Next ka, JS muna yung JS naman. Dalawa skipper nila kung tutusin. Wala pa si Lumawag yun.
wala pala si Lumabo.
Tumusod si Baklaan. Pilusot.
So, sabi ko parang kulang.
Wala si Lumawag. Uy, foul! Foul called. Okay. Okay, potential. Okay, a potential Anspo. Anspo foul called on Baklaan. Okay, that's Anspo number 1. Rep. Anspo number 1, Anspo number 2. Okay, degree number 1. O, sige. Okay, pinalabas talaga siya. Okay, Anspo nga talaga. Anspo number 1 po.
Ilang minutes pa?
2 minutes siya, 2 to 3 minutes yata, lalabas muna siya.
Number 38.
Dapitan, shooting for the Anspo free throws. Labas muna po. Okay, Anspo, free throws po para kay Dapitan. Pops up. Wala. Second shot plus ball possession. Wala pareho. Anspo 1, pag Anspo 1 yata, hindi pag yung pwede makapasok muli, nakapasok bakla. Pero pag Anspo 2, hindi na pwede papalabasin talaga siya. JS na naman. Pops up, Dapitan. Wala. Foul. Boost pa rep. Defensor on the line for sure. Baklaan again called for the foul. Defensor on the line. 2 shots given para kay Defensor. Pops up. In. What a swoosh. Ganon. Sarap pakinggan, Swoosh. What a swoosh. Sapa. Out. Rebound battle. David. Defensor. Down sa baba. Who's pa rep? Number 11. Kalma called for the foul. Okay, Amampang pumapasok na rin. Puti. JS. Nagtitumon ngayon para sa kas. Defensor. Foul. Tan call for a foul. Defensor again on the line. 50-54. Malayo pa yan. Defensor number 10 shooting for 2. Out. Second shot, defensor jumper. Ready po tayo. To trim the lead down to 3 points. Sige po. Out. Nando sa tapitan. Good ball. Defensor. 2 points defensor. Ayan na. The choke is on. The choke is on. Amampang. Amampang. The choke is on. Eto na. The choke is on. Eto na. Eto na. The choke is on. The vaunted choke of Cass.
Time out. Mechanicals. Isa na lang time out. Isa na lang tira.
Parang ano yan, gato. Ito na, yung mala epoxing depensa ng Cass. Ito na, makita na natin. Ang mala epoxing depensa. Hindi naman pioneer epoxy yan, hindi naman cord marine epoxy yan, pero epoxy talaga. Okay. Wala eh. Alam nila eh.
Okay, parang siya lang at 14 seconds.
Buti pa yung kanina.
Kailan takbo?
Kaya.
Walang
Kung kailan takbo yun, close game.
Oh. Next week, yeah. Next week, Implants, Onyx. Asahan ko. Pukpukan yun.
Puwan.
Oh.
Skyping, saka...
O, isa pa yun, half pa rin.
Ganda din yun.
Oh.
10 seconds to
Ang
shoot.
Implants, maganda talaga ang ano.
Acton.
Tira!
5 to shoot.
Wah! Amampang naman! And one play by Amampang!
Basket count.
54 all, Amampang! Saves the day for Cass. Eto na.
Good luck mo tayo.
Amampang number 48. Amampang. Na, pumapalakpak pa. Sige.
Bonus control.
Porn eh.
Puro na ba yan?
Oh, apat
Yun
na.
lang.
Papsa Pamampang. Wala. Oop!
Early to zone.
Masyado ka magulang, boss.
Every time.
Huwag ganun. Okay, balik po tayo. Eto na. The choke is on. The choke is on again. The choke is on. Ayan na. The choke is on. The choke is on. Baklaan. 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 Palpal! Not in my house. Sabi ni Defensor. Not in my house. Not today. Not now. Not in my house. Again, the choke. Kalma. Kalma. Against Tardinier Canton. Kalma. Wala. Defensor naka-rebound. Wag mo na raw. 54 naman tayo. Ayun na, bagana. Ayun na, si JS. Nagtitimon. JS. 2 points JS. Coast to coast. JS means business.
Steal by Victor.
Patay ka.
Victor. Acton.
Tan. And one play made. Eto na.
Basket count. All over 11.
Okay. Kalma called for a foul. Tan number 19 shooting for 2. Tan number 19 shooting for 2 po tayo.
Romy. Official second personal foul.
Romy, pangalo po yan. Pops up Tan. Oy! Good ball. Oy! Foreign object. Foreign object.
Automatic yan, violation.
Pag tumama po sa alambre, sa ilaw, sa bubong, violation na po yan. Foreign object violation. Amampang, laman po ng 4 ngayon ng Cass. Foul!
Penalty ha.
And penalty situation na called for Mechanicals.
Baklaan. That is your fourth.
Baklaan. 4 na rin ni Baklaan yan.
Penalty.
Amampang first shot.
Wala.
Second shot, Amampang.
Last throw.
Jumpers ready. Second jumpers. Second shot, jumpers ready. Pops up.
Yan.
Pasok. Patok. Foul. Who's ball rep? Okay. Time call for the foul. 4:50 remaining. Ayan, kalma. Kalma. Triple team, double team, triple team. Same ball. Same ball daw, same ball daw. Yeng, nawala ang bola. Yeng muli, na-recover. Yeng, naipit. Bakla, nagmamadali. Bakla, nawala ang bola kay Baklaan. Hop, si Daisy, same ball.
White ball.
White ball po tayo, white ball.
10 shot clock.
Yeng.
Uy, grabe.
Yeng, naka 2 points. Binitbit, binale, pasok. Jess na naman. Jess na naman, Jess. Jess, foul.
Number 11, Roman.
Di pa yan.
This is your third personal foul, Roman.
Serrano, number 15, shooting for 2.
Serrano on the line, shooting for 2.
Serrano on the line, shooting for 2. Pops up. Pasok. High percentage shooter sa on the linya, si Serrano. Nabuhay siya, parang ginagawa na yun. Serrano again, number 2. Second shot ni Serrano. Jumper ready. Pops up. It's out. Rebound. Wag muna raw. Third dinner Canton. Okay, sabi ni Defensor, ako muna raw. Ako muna raw. Defensor, pops up for 3. Out. Hoy! Amang pang call for the foul.
48, Amang. That is your second personal foul.
Tama yun.
Ayan na. Kalma. Palpal. Not in my house. Sabi ni Mr. No, not in my house. Wag ngayon. Not in my house. Not in my house. Yeng. Double team. Ayun lang din. Defensor. Ayun lang. Walang pinasahan. Hoy!
Okay, done. Sub ka? Done. Subdivision. Subdivision.
Okay, sab mo na bakla. Labas mo na raw. Dahil sa foul trouble na rin siya.
Okay.
Ends for foul call. Kinapito mo amampang. Ends for foul called.
Sa third personal foul, tatlo. Okay, pwede na. Free throw po tayo. At may posisyon.
Ends for foul called. Kung meron kung meron kayong discretion, may tayong video rito para kung sakaling ikaw i-contest yung tawag. Kalma, 2 shots given. What? Kalma, second shot. Dalawa. Plus, of course, possession pa ng bola. Plus ball possession.
14 shot clock.
Kalma.
Then, second shot clock.
Ayun lang. Traveling violation lang. Panadlasa na yun. Ayan na naman. Serrano, stepping on the gas. Serrano, ayaw. Serrano, Canton. Amampang. Uy! Hoy! Wala yung refereeing. Last week may make pit na refereeing dalangan ang trouble nila eh. Last week pala. Yung may make pit din eh. Make pit. Pag gaganyan ka,
Tawag.
tatawag ka agad. May authority. Amampang, ayun lang. Defensor, pasok. Defensor, nakakuha ang bola. 2:48 remaining. Laman po ng 4, 62-48 ang Cavs. Amampang. Tan, pops up. No good. Tan to tan connection. Tan nakalaban nga lang. Eto na, Tan. Kalma, nandun si defensor. Eto na naman si Tan. 2 points, Tan. Yes, sir, 2 points. 2:11 remaining. Good ball. Out of bounds. Okay, palit.
Subdivision.
Sino po, sir?
6 seconds.
Okay, Shadi. Papasok yata Shadi. The wrecking ball. Shadi. Almost wrong pass. Manggas. Pops up, Kalma. Sorry, Ying. No good. Shadi. Traveling violation. Balik tayo. Defensor. Canton, defensor. Amampang. Serrano. Ayun lang, kumat. 2 points, Canton. 2 points. Pinababang bola. Ying. Jolens. Anin. Canton. 2 points, Canton. 1 minute remaining. Kalma for 3.
Pasok.
Tapos. Kalma muli.
Pasok.
Wala. Okay, Tan. And 1 play pa, binigay. Kondisyon. 13 na Canton, kondisyon.
19 seconds.
The quest now for the goal is started already. Canton, number 3, shooting for the bonus free throw. The time remaining, 39 seconds remaining. Canton. Pops up. Wala. Ying for 3. Wala rin. Okay, ano ba? Okay, tuloy lang. Okay, that's it. Okay, congratulations and welcome to the semifinals. Team Cavs final score. Thank you, sir. Idol, thank you. Final score 70-16. Final score po 70-16. Winner po tayo, Team Cavs, and welcome to the semis. Maraming salamat po. Next week po tayo. Meron po tayong next semifinals po natin po between Oryx and Influence. And of course, Hub versus Sky Team. Maraming salamat po. Again po, congratulations po, Oryx, Cavs, and Mechanic. Cavs po for winning the semifinals.